So we were done till this in last video. Here we are going with example number 19. Example number 19. Here if p, which is inversely proportional to q square, and that q value is 2, p is equal to 6. So they are asking what would be the value of p when we know the q value, which is 6. This a similar question to this one, but here it's written if p is directly proportional. Okay, so this means we find a big difference between these questions. This is inversely and that was directly. And inversely we know, if like for suppose if I'm writing v, I've just taken an unknown um, any alphabet, so this is q r. Okay, so this means first these both values are supposed to be multiplied. Okay, this only way I'm going to show you the inversely proportional. Okay, so now here p, which we know p which is directly proportional to inversely, this means 1 would be added downward q square. So first we need to know, we need to have multiplication between these both value. So p and q square, q's value is 2, and when you will square this value you'll find 4. Okay, but still let's do accordingly. 6, when you multiply with the value of 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, so 6 into 2 square, which means 4, so 6 into 4, 6 into 4, which is equal to what? That is equal to 24. But still that's not the complete question. So here is the value, this means p upon q is equal to p upon q. So here we have 6, which is this value have been done. Now we need to find the value of q is equal to 6. So 6 will be cross multiplied with 6. When you cross multiply these both, you'll find 36. So 24 is the one answer. When you cross multiply, you'll find 36. So when we divide these both value, 24 divided with 36, 2 like 6 fours are 6 fours are 24, 6 6 are 36. Still this value could be divided because 2 twos are 4 and 2 3 is 6, which is which this means 2 upon 3 would be the answer of this question. We were sure the answer would be inversely proportional, so the upon value is very much important. Then what's happening? Okay, so here we are going with another question, which is 20, but here let's read this one. 18, the patient of inversely proportional to days of the pulse. The last part we did. Now they are saying patients which are directly proportional and they are constant. That was done. I have discussed this before. So here we have another question, which is if 5 workers can paint a certain number of house in 24 days, 15 workers painting in 24 days, so how many days 40 worker will take? So there is 15 worker. Wait, let me raise. So there are 15 workers. 15 workers. They work in 24 hours. 24 days, sorry. And it's written 24 days here. Then when you multiply these both, you will get the answer, which is 360. So this means 360 working or worker days. Working days would be 360. Then but they've asked more, so you have to find the same rate, do the same job of 40 workers. So 40 workers, we don't know what's the value, which means we'll write d, but we don't know d days. Then when you multiply this with this one, 40 into d, which like you cross multiply, still you get the answer, which is 40d. 40d, which is equal to this 360, because when you cross multiply these 360. Okay, so this means when you divide d here, which is 40 would be divided, so 360 which would be divided with 40, you will get the answer, which is equal to 9. D is equal to 9, so this means 9 would be, D is equal to right answer. So D